Okay, Pablito, why do you call yourself creative genius?
Because I got a eminent level of a self-proclaimed and I'm acutely phenomenon, prodigy.
Yeah.
Lastly, I'm extremely clear-sighted and intellectual.
Yeah. Who's Pablito Creative-genius?
All I can articulate is that Pablito Creative-genius is a loquacious, perspicaciously philanthropical, controversialist, diagnosophist, delectable, untainted, inquisitiveness, insurmountable, pacifist, benevolent, and supercalifragilistic expialidocious nigger.
Okay, Pablito, so how did you embark articulating English fluently?
Unequivocally,
Yeah.
it's a self-cultivation.
Oh, what is that, man?
That is the process whereby you teach yourself, man.
Yeah.
And secondly, I'm a linguophile.
Yeah.
And the main objective was to become Anglophile, bruh.
Okay, Pablito, so did you ever feel like people detest or abominate you? To hate you because of articulating English fluently?
Predominantly,
Yeah.
they disseminate fallacious confabulations about me. Fabricated statements profusely and expeditiously. And secondly, they regard me as an instigator, which is not factual, and they should exasperate me.